Okay, take two. This is Julia's morning bin for today. I'm gonna play with this stuff, so I'm so excited to put it out and show you her reaction. So let's do it. You wanna read it? Colors! Oh, this spinny thing? Julia. No. Oh, thank you. Vlogging now. Okay. Thank you. Are you making this difficult? There you go. See? Up. Ow. Is that excited? I'm realizing that the only thing I had to do, generally speaking, was have brain surgery. And now, post-op, I get to do everything else. I get to go on a walk. I get to clean my house. I get to spend time with my family. I get to pay bills. Like, what a privilege to just get to do things. Thank you.